guys to a new video. Today it's Monday. We just let the birds train, the young birds and the hens. Last weekend we got a great result on the young bird race. That was really nice. So this week we'll prepare for the next race, and that will be around the same distance as the last one. So maybe we are lucky and can get a great result as well. So we will see. First of all, we're gonna clean the loft. Then we're gonna check on the birds. Also, we have to select the old birds and the hens that we want to keep for next year. So I'm also gonna check on that as well. So yeah, first of all, we're gonna clean the loft. Then we're gonna check on the birds. So the hens and the young birds are already back inside. So the next thing that we're gonna do is gonna feed the birds. Here we have also 5 young birds. See. So now we're gonna grab the food and then we're gonna feed them. For the hens and the young birds, the 5 late young birds, it's only the youngster mixture that they are getting, around 20 grams, 25 grams each. So this will be enough. The young birds are gonna get the gabi van de haarbillen mixture, and that's what we're gonna feed right now. And the young birds are hungry, as you can see. They trained 2 times today. That's what we want to keep until the last race. Last race will be in 2 weeks, this weekend and the next weekend. Then racing season is over. First few hens, I'm gonna feed the young birds like this, like I do every day. Then they are not afraid of me and easy to grab when they need to basket, so that's why we are doing that. The next part right there, there are the old male birds. We're also gonna check on them. We have to select them for next season, what we want to keep and what not. So yeah, it's always a hard decision because you never know exactly what are you gonna keep or not. So for the rest, the young birds, I'm gonna throw it in the feeding tray and then they can eat. Here with the male birds, you can see they're molting really heavy. All the feathers everywhere from just one day. So yeah, we have to select these birds on their quality and everything like that. So it's gonna be a tough call to which one we want to keep, which one not. But yeah, we have to choose because we can't keep them all. Few birds are really good races. Some I have for breeding. So yeah, that one is my 3rd in the department. So yeah, it's gonna be a tough call. So these guys also get a gabi van de haarbillen mixture, lightweight mixture, so that they can mold. The next mixture that we are gonna get is the molting mixture. So when I have that, then I'm gonna feed that to the old birds and even the rest also. Still have the 2 from Belgium, from the kitten line, from the bulk. And from that one I have 1 youngster left. This one I have 1 with someone else. And all the rest that I breed from them, I give them away, so I don't know that much about them. So they will keep here for another year, and I hope next year we'll breed some more of them, so that I can decide if they are worth it or not. These are birds for more the short distance, so yeah, that's where we have to breed them for the short and middle distance. So yeah, next year we'll keep some of the youngsters for myself, those two birds, and then to raise them myself. So yeah, this one, yeah, he's the son of my first ever racing pigeon, so yeah, I can't put him away from the loft, so he will go to the breeding loft, maybe not to breed with him myself, but more to raise other youngsters from other birds, but we will see. And that one, yeah, I'm not sure what to do with that one. He's 2 years old, not that great of a raiser. And yeah, the other ones are yearlings, so we have to raise another year with them. So we have to see what the possibility will be. We have to choose between the male birds because we don't have enough hens. So I think all the hens will stay for this year. And I have some good hens, that's for sure, but yeah. We have then to decide which one we're gonna breed with, which one we want. So yeah, all decisions to make to keep the line going up. About selection of the birds, we will go through a whole new video where I'm gonna discuss every point that I want to see in the birds. So now we're gonna check on the hens, and then this will be the end of the video. So yeah, of course, this one is my best hen. She flew in 2020, her best season, and after that season I put her on the breeding loft. She never did a race again. It's a bird from 2020, so I'm really happy about her. This one is a youngster of her. My grandfather finds this one the best bird in my loft with the young birds from last year. So yeah, she's still also gonna stay. This one is a hen from 22. She also will stay for one more year, and then we will check. See, not really that great results, but mostly she came in the point, so that's also a good thing. So yeah. And then here we have this one, the 976. She flew in Helmstedt last year, 17th in the department. I think it was 17th. First in the club, so yeah, really nice from this one. Also as a young bird, she already got 225 against I think 1670 birds, 70,000 birds, so that's also really nice. And then we have this hen from 2018. The youngster from this one is with a friend of mine. That bird flew a second against 4,000 something birds, so really nice. So yeah, this one will still keep in the loft for one more year. From this hen I also have that youngster, or it's a youngster from last year, so it's the 915. She flew as a youngster, I think 56, something like that in the department, so yeah, really nice of course. And then yeah, we have that blue bar youngster, it's also from the hen on top. Then here we have a black one. That's from that hen and the tiger gristle male. And that youngster is looking really nice, also in the hand. And then we also have two youngsters for my best hen. So yeah, maybe they will do something next year. They are late birds, so it's always a little bit harder to race with them, but we're gonna check out the next season. So, and then we have that one I got from a club member, that hen. I'll breed a few youngsters for me, so we will see what those youngsters will do as a yearling. So So guys, for now this was the video. I hope you liked this one. Please give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below. Would appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye guys.